We'll start our boat ride at the Tower Road Bridge over Eagle Creek. As we pass under Tower Road, we head into the mangrove-lined portion of Eagle Creek. This section of Eagle Creek runs behind the KOA campground down to Henderson Creek. And here we are coming out into Henderson Creek. We pass by some homes along Henderson Creek in the Riverbend area. Eagle Creek feels a bit like the Jungle Cruise. Both sides of the creek are lined with mangroves with the occasional home and dock visible. And here we are passing the Rookery Bay Environmental Learning Center. And now we pass under the pedestrian bridge near the Rookery Bay. And now we approach Collier Blvd. And here we are passing under the Collier Blvd Bridge. Once east of Collier Blvd, the residences along Henderson Creek are a bit more dense. We have several waterfront mobile home parks along this section of the creek. On the north side of the creek, there are several residential developments, including Dockside, an affordable waterfront community. Waterfront property along this section of Naples tends to be some of the most affordable waterfront property in the county. The water frontage along Henderson Creek is also some of the area's most beautiful residential water frontage. Homes here have quaint docks, and the waterfront is a beautiful garden setting, unlike the seawalls of Marco Island. And here we are at the forks of Henderson Creek. We are entering the south fork of Henderson Creek right now. This area includes, on the left, you will find the Henderson Creek Park residential community. And on your right, you will find Enchanting Shores. And here we are, we have Enchanting Shores on the right and Henderson Creek Park on the left. And now we pass into the north fork of Henderson Creek. Along here is the marina for Henderson Creek Park, as well as Holiday Manor. And here we are passing the Naples Motor Coach Resort Marina, and we end our tour at the US 41 bridge over Henderson Creek, and we pass under the bridge.